Today's Tier 1 manufacturers face the challenge to deliver quality and productivity performance that meets the expectations of the world's most demanding OEMs, and also to survive and thrive in today's rapidly evolving mobility market. And with the traditional manufacturing landscape giving way to a new reality driven by electrification and Industry 4.0, the challenges and opportunities are bigger and more important than ever. For over 25 years, we've been working with Tier 1 automotive companies just like yours to deliver world-class quality and productivity in your manufacturing operations. Pinpoint provides a fast, easy solution that is fully configurable and out of the box, and is built from the ground up around the demands of Tier 1 assembly to deliver significant gains in quality and efficiency. For starters, we have the most feature-rich process control system in the industry. This enables you to exceed the expectations of your OEMs by enforcing a repeatable process from day one with Pinpoint. This low-risk, out-of-the-box solution produces the industry's most unique and revolutionary dataset. This allows you to uncover the hidden factory and drive a goldmine of meaningful continuous improvement activities. You may think you have data, but you don't have data like this. With a pace of change that is faster than ever seen in the automotive industry, it's hard to know where to start. That's where we come in. We have a proven methodology for working with you to achieve big gains in quality and productivity, giving you an advantage over your competition and making you an Industry 4.0 leader in the eyes of your OEM customers. Customers who leverage the Pinpoint way typically see 35% productivity gains. Imagine what producing 35% more products each day would do for your results. And through enforcing a repeatable process, a reduction of up to 94% of warranty claims. Our best-in-class MES software is used today by many leading OEM, Tier 1, and electric vehicle manufacturers all over the globe. Contact us and let Pinpoint go to work for you. Pinpoint. Action rooted in knowledge is the path to manufacturing excellence.